Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Nissan Armada's infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware problems, or electrical faults. For newer models from 2021 onward, Nissan has released over-the-air software updates to address these problems. First, check for available updates via the infotainment menu or the Nissan app. A soft reset can also reboot the system. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If these steps don't work, the issue might be a faulty fuse or a deeper hardware problem, particularly in older, high-mileage Armadas. In that case, you may need to take your car in for repairs. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the black screen or no sound issue, a hard or factory reset might be necessary, but this erases your settings and may require a Nissan dealer tool for reprogramming. Before attempting a hard reset, consider visiting a certified Nissan dealer. They can diagnose whether the issue is software-related or due to hardware failures like a faulty amplifier or display module. Automotive experts estimate that infotainment failures affect 15 to 20% of Nissan Armadas, with black screens being a common complaint. Repair costs can range from $300 to $1,200, so getting a professional diagnosis is crucial to avoid unnecessary expenses or voiding your warranty.